No. Especially if police come. They always do.
I don't want to step in a fucking pole.
I'm just following all you. Unless you keep it real.
Okay, that's a problem.
Oh, it's raining bad. It's raining proper.
Yeah, what's that orange thing? That's
Oh shit, they built quite... What was that? They built quick. Yeah, that one there.
That is.
Yes, there's a coat. Might be a coat. There's a coat in there? Yeah. There's a coat.
Bro, you need to wash that shit.
Oh, someone's coming.
Where?
Over there.
What?
I can see him.
Where?
Over there.
Well, the red light?
Yeah, and
Look.
someone's walking.
No, it's red and blue.
Look, and someone's walking.
How do you know?
Literally coming down there.
Wait, Oliver, come around here.
How do we get out?
Get on this mountain.
Yeah, about to.
How do we get out?
The same way.
Hopefully this is that.
What?
Boys, quick, boys.
Why are they shouting?
I can see someone.
Oh, they better not snitch, man. Get up, get up. Oh, it's all wet. Oh, really? Security guard, probably.
I can literally see him.
I can't see nothing.
No, he was walking down there. Someone called Reese. He was walking down there with a torch. Yeah, look, there's a torch there.
I can't see anything.
Someone called Reese now. Right, oh look. Call Reese.
I can't.
How do we get out?
Right, Phil, let's just hope and pray it's back.
But self-alarm. Nah, he rings. Still, you know. No, if they get caught, they can't snitch. Nah, bro.
That's where that bike usually is. It's usually in there.
Be quiet, be quiet. Be quiet.
You want to come in?
Wait, Oliver. Should we take him on the house? Wait, before we set up a lot, can we take you on the roof of a house? One's not fully built.
Where?
It's over there. What was that? Oh, it's on the street.
You know what?
This is a bad idea.
I know.
Literally raining.
No, it's not. The better is, the thing is, the security guard, they just fall over probably.
This is a bad fucking idea.
We'd say it's.
It's a fun idea, but it's a bad
What are they building? It's like a house.
dunno.
Tape measures. What the? I should have brought the gloves. No. It'll take them time.
Oh,
It's actually so dark. Hey, what are they building? They're building something in the middle. Yeah? Yeah?
oh, let's hope we've got people in there.
Huh? Oh, there's an alarm on your left. Alarm, you can see it standing up. There. Can you see it?
Yeah, I see
Beeping. Yep.
That's new, by the way.
Yeah, no. What is that? It does it.
They never had this before.
Yeah, because everyone keeps breaking. Yeah. No, wait, you know if you're being cops, it's like, they put an alarm on. Oliver, what's it say, the alarm?
Warning, this is security.
Yeah, warning, this is security. No.
These the houses.
Yeah, we was on that one.
Did you get on the scaffolding?
That's what we're doing. We get up the scaffolding.
And go in there?
I don't know about these buildings. Oh, we actually might be able.
They unlocked.
No, I don't know. Oh, it might be an alarm. Oh, locked. Inside the house. Stairs. Up that down here. They blocked it off, kick out. Where the front door is. See? Right. Up here. Nah. Nah. Oliver, that's risky.
No, don't.
Oliver. Nah.
What's you doing now?
That's risky.
Now. Are you coming out?
Oh, big up. Pull it slowly. Come.
What's that?
That red thing.
Yeah.
Oliver, take him on the house quick, on top of one of the scaffoldings.
What's this what, yeah?
Yeah, might as well. Never be. Let him on my name, set off the alarms and go.
What is
Dip. Well,
back entrance? What's that?
I feel
Why
we'll
don't
set
we
off
come
the
in?
alarm, then we'll run to that mound and we'll get out that way.
yeah. No, we went to the mountain back entrance. That's the one that was on my neck. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, we went all up there. No. And then and the police start running up here in the car.
I feel all of this is new.
Oh no. It's built fucking quick, isn't it? Yeah, they look at the front gate. Huh? No, it's not just the builders as well.
Oh, this is sketchy. Look at the state of this.
Oh,
Oi, boys, if you run through this year, you might lose a year.
yeah, you will.
I almost lost mine.
Same.
Yeah, mine's back kind of covered with same.
No, mine's not.
Yours ain't even bad.
I feel set off the alarms now.
Why they shout? They're saying bogeys, they're dickheads, bruv. They're gonna get us caught.
Philip, call him now.
I can't. Wait. What's that? What are they doing?
What are they doing?
Freeze. They keep shouting, got bogeys.
Someone call him.
Call them and tell them to fuck off.
Alright.
Call him and tell him to shut up.
Go on. Cover your ears.
Alright, wait. Wait, what does it do?
So I was making a noise.
Wait, I'm inside.
Cover your face.
It's not alarming.
No,
It's not shouting.
yeah, must have silence. They must have, yeah, they're silent.
Why is it not shouting?
Yep. They must have just done it.
Oh, mate, don't step in that. Fucking
Oh.
hell.
Oh. Oh, the whole thing is.
You're taking the
No.
fucking
Get
piss.
back out of there, bro.
Oh, my foot's stuck. No, it's not.
You're taking
No, I don't go over there. Go back.
Yeah, come back, bro.
Oliver, my shoes.
Bro, they all build shit.
Don't sit down on this. No,
I don't check it over. You fucking stupid.
yeah, but I want to go everywhere.
You can't walk in that.
Yeah, that's the same.
Look at him.
Sideways.
Oh, it's not.
What's the time? What am I going to do if my mum calls me?
Be quiet. They're still shouting,
Yeah, because they didn't come.
which is wrong. Now they're gonna get us caught. Which he's been doing it all day with me. I'm telling you.
He definitely likes her.
100%. He's been fucking.
He's year 11, isn't he?
Yeah.
She's year 8.
I thought she was hit.
Oh, mate.
Alarms on, alarms on. Oh, wait, look. Lights on.
Why is it turned on that side?
Someone's there, man. Okay. This one's gonna shout. Cover your ears.
What was he going to say?
Watch. Yeah.
And do we have to run?
Yep. Oliver, where are you?
Warning. Bus out security.
Now we
Your
go.
presence has been detected. The owner and police have been informed.
Get out of here now, I'm shitting it.
Now we
Piece of shit is bright as fuck, bro.
Now we go.
Oi, you lot, can you climb this fence?
No, where's that lead?
It's got ladders on it.
No, I don't. Oliver saying they'll go back entrance.
Oi, back entrance, yeah?
Yeah.
Oi, come.
Are we going back entrance? We're cutting.
You've got to be quick to go back entrance, though.
Wait. How they just turn it down?
Because they probably heard the alarm. Did you hear that?
That's cool. The lights are just turning off. February.
Chill here until security or feds come, man.
Yeah. Right. What was that? Near the corner. Went in, of course. Police are all the way down there. There has to be tons. Maybe like 5, 6 police officers looking for us. We're about to escape, but we have to climb. I'll see you back. Just made that out. You know, we won't get on the record because they don't know who we are. We won't get in trouble because they don't know who we are.
Yeah, I know, but if you have all this shit on us.
Well, depends. But there was tons. How much were they? There must be tons. No, because we was on a mountain and next minute, all the alarm lights are on.
Well close.
Well, at least we make that out. It's calm. We're going to McDonald's anyway. Yeah, get a drink and chill in there. No? He's got money, whatever.
Can you get me like a Coke?
I don't have money, whatever it is.
How much have you got?
I don't know. I know it's going to get me a drink now. Well, it depends. If it does, I'll let you get some of mine. But no way to make that out of that construction site.
Yes, man. We're down here again, aren't we?
Wait, Sam, wait till you see more on this channel, though. Wait, if you subscribe and go on this channel, you see bears on this channel. Wait till you go on this channel. You see everything.
Oliver! Ollie!
Oh, I'll be back.